So this is how you get started. This is your back office. Okay, I'm going to go, you can create all kinds of unlimited chat box. This is the chat box right here that you get. You know, you can give away. Now, if you upgrade, you can monetize a banner. It gives you the links and how to set it up. You know, if you have an affiliate link or if you have a website you want people to go to, they can click on that banner on the top in this computer screen right here. You see that this little banner here. They can click on it and it'll redirect them to whatever you want them to go. So you can launch it. There's many people that want this. You don't have to hire a content writer. You don't have to hire a translator. You know, all this costs money. You know, a lot of people don't know how to write. So you don't need that anymore. You got the chat GPT to help you. You don't need to hire a graphic designer because BrainBox has a software in the back office where you can create banners. You don't have to hire any book writer anymore. You don't need to hire a programmer. You don't need to hire a video editor. You get included in BrainBox. You get to create videos. You can, you can edit. Unlimited uh, resources are there for you in the back office. You don't have to hire a proofreader. You don't have to hire a SEO expert. You don't need to hire customer support. But in case, if you do have a problem with this BrainBox software, there do have customer support for that, okay? But um, it's not going to cost you anything because the people that support will help you and resolve the solution with whatever problem you're having with BrainBox. You don't need to hire a sheet expert. Uh, This is just 10 out of 50 mind-blogging AI features in BrainBox. If you're looking for a marketing tool to help your business, this is a really good product. Okay, I have it. I use it for my videos. I create unlimited chat box. I share it. I create content for me to develop my articles to my blog site. And you could do much more with AI chatbots. In this video, I'm going to talk about BrainBox. And this is my opinion, my review about this technology, Chat GPT. If you purchase it, it's very affordable. It's not expensive. It's the cost of a dinner or a meal. If you are looking for a marketing tool, this is a great tool. It unlocks premium features, unlimited AI chat box. You can share it into your blogs, your videos, into just your websites, anywhere where you want to share it or give it away for free. So everyone can have a chat box. They can generate a tool that will help their business or whatever they're trying to create. So you can ask the chat box unlimited questions, unlimited AI content, create your prompts, and unlimited AI code generation, unlimited AI graphics is included, voiceover and video generation, and unlimited AI languages, translation, commercial license, and unlimited profits. But, I look at this tool and the testimonies and everything. And you say it's easy to make money, that you can make money with this tool. You can if you drive the traffic, but it's not going to be easy. You have to put your work into, and they promise you that you will make money right away. That's not real, okay? Nobody can make money right away. It takes time to make money right away. And it takes work and effort, just like building this YouTube channel. Money doesn't come in flowing in an instant. You have to be persistent. You can make money, some money with this tool if you offer them a link where they can purchase it as a cost of a dinner or a meal. I mean, this is really affordable. It's under 20 bucks, why not get this tool to help your business? And I bought this tool to help my business, and BrainBox have it all. And I'm going to share it with you what's inside the BrainBox and what you get. So let me take you there, and I'm going to link in to my access purchase area of BrainBox. Okay, what you do when you purchase it: welcome to BrainBox members area, and thank you for your order. Bookmark this page. You will want to return it. So you're going to click not the step one, but you're going to click on to access your account here using the details here. So you're going to open it up, and then you're going to log in, and this is what you get. Okay, I'm still working on creating unlimited chat box. Okay, I'm going to open this one, a brain box that I've created, a chat box. All right, and you ask me anything. If you're a teacher, you can give it to your students, help them with their homework to generate whatever they need. Here you get a voice reply. Ask it something like say, give me 10 tips how to have a happier life. I'm going to click here, and then you're going to generate it. You can do voice reply, can be on, and it will generate the voice if you want. But here it's already telling you the 10 things how to be happy. Give me 10 tips how to have a happier life. Number one, spend time with the people who make you happy and good. Take time to appreciate the small things in life. Number three, exercise regular. Number four, get enough sleep. Or number five, eat healthy and nutritious food. Number six, make time for yourself. Number seven, set realistic goals and work towards them. Number eight, practice gratitude and positive thinking. Number nine, take up a hobby or activity that you enjoy. And number 10, spend time in nature. So these are tips that they're giving you how you can be happy by doing and applying this 10 steps. Okay, so that's it about that. So let me show you that you can monetize your chat box. Maybe you wanted to redirect it to your website. Maybe you want to redirect it to an affiliate link. Okay. Now I do sell products and marketing tools, but the things that I purchase is to help my business. So, if you're into your business and marketing, you're taking it serious, by all means, click on the link below. You're just like me. You want to expand your business. You want to invest in yourself so that you can be a better marketer. You can be a better salesperson. So whatever tools of technology out there, go ahead and grab it. Okay, because right now, Warrior Plus is actually promoting a lot of tools that can help your business grow. And it's not expensive anymore. Like in the past, there would be like a couple hundreds of dollars, and now it's like $13, $12, $20, $47. It's affordable, the highest if they have a product that's if you want to go to the dump for you, you actually have to pay a little more, but they're like $100 off or $200 off. Be smart in your marketing, everyone. These tools are going to help you. Okay, I'm not out here to sell. Okay, I'm out here to give you a product. I'm making this video to give you a product so that it can help your business, your online business, or whatever you're trying to grow. This is a great tool. BrainBox is really good. Sometimes you get issues with the system, but they have a support group here where you can click and they do respond and they do fix what they need to fix. They have a great support team. All right, so let's go back to monetization. You can monetize it by, okay, so I'll give you an example. Let's click. This one is actually forwarding to my Etsy shop. So what I did is I uploaded Deeza's digital download. Okay, so, and I put my redirect URL to my Etsy shop. Okay, and I update it. And so when I go back to my chat box, okay, I'm going to share it with you. Which one was that? It was the Laudiaann chat. Okay, this one right here. So there it is. Deeza's digital download. You can post this anywhere in your blog, your website. I like it a lot. I recommend you all to get the unlimited plan. So if you wanting something so affordable, just like a meal, click on the link below. Access to this, because right now it is a dirt cheap, and it's only a one-time fee. Now they can remove all these features and charge you monthly. And why do you want to do that? You want to avoid monthly charges. You are guaranteed a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you get an instant $120 discount on the gold edition, which that's what I purchased. And I only purchased it only for $47. And my opinion is worth the brain box, because you can create banners, you get videos, you got a video library, you got image library in it, you can create unlimited chat box. If you own this, you can give it to your students. You can give it to a friend that, if you have a friend that don't want to purchase it, they don't want to purchase brain box, but they do like the chat box, give it to them. I give the chat box away on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be posting more, and I monetize it that's how I can drive traffic. So if they want to go to my Etsy shop, they want to go to my crochet channel, they want to go to my other YouTube channels, I will actually post a banner to redirect them to. This is BrainBox. This is my review. You want to check out my other videos on BrainBox, you can. But I'm just offering this marketing tool for anyone that can use it for their business. Click on the link below if you want it. Thank you for watching my BrainBox review 2023. This is the year that this came out, so it's a really good tool. Unlock to the unlimited, and just take advantage of it. It's out there for you to use. All right, everyone, have a great day. See you soon, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.